more information that they do that in the morning. So I think the group in the evening benefit most from your being here because you improve your presentation from the mornings and then go real smooth in the evening. So with that, thank you very much, and no amount of words can express our gratitude and thanks for leaving your family, both you and Ken and Kwang, and spending the whole week here in Moon Bay. But like I say, you know, only the good Lord will reward you for what you have done for us over the last few days. And we are confident that you will come back again to improve on what we started this week. I mean, even from your last visit. From your last visit compared to this visit, there are lots of things that we've learned, and we pray that we'll be able to put the information that we have acquired over the last few days into the translation so it can improve, and like you say, it will be acceptable, accurate, and also clear to those readers that will read, maybe not us, but the future generations. So with that, thank you very much. Ang kumasi ko makiti ang kumasi katigrap na pasyan sa usigirano last lang. So mga ikang ko, kailangan ng kumasi. O kumasi sacrifice ang mga kumasi panay-nay na pasyan sa usigirano. As well, kakangan justa. Kung ang tapay na kumasi, tapos kumasi, lawas asan sa pulang suba na ansaw kisme, pasan tiyo na mask na ipure kaya ansaw kis next year. Pinay ko ko. Kumasi sa bali ang mga susan, pausan, nakapkap pintaman sa siyo kimane, pakunan kawin, autik sasi man ng kila, pakunan ng kila natin sa siya. Nansiyang sa kaunsa project ko, 10 years ke 15 years, aksasin lalaportan. Lao sasi, kaunsa tamang sasi, siyap kita ang orang, Peter, nakairasi ko man, may kamera listabin PIC, isang puli kap-kapin ba project ko ang kaambay tawan kami ang kamawang mida ma population of 20,000 amasan and kaunan so go siyang in their own native language is better than using Panapen or English for that matter. Kaya tangin mo ulian di rasi ko amelal kam tiyo may mukilat ka kung lang kuyas ka kung ulit akong kumasi kaunan kung kumasi lao sa atin kulang sa suba na kalang